Okay, guys, it's been a beautiful week for us in this week, and of course, the trading activities that we started this week actually went out very well, and we are really happy that we are able to achieve this on this channel and also on the Telegram channel. Congratulations to those of you who have taken steps in taking some of these trades, okay? And of course, we will be checking out more about all these assets to know the situation of each of the assets and what we need to do right now. Okay. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp, or you drop your message down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Okay. So, guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, I'm really happy that we are able to make a lot of profit with our trading signals. Okay. I'm really happy that we are able to achieve these. Okay. All glory back to God. Okay. And of course, guys, we will be checking out the situation of each of the assets right now to see what we should look out for, because people have been asking me, so what's the next thing? We've finished trading the trend. Okay, what is the next thing? Okay, so we'll be checking this out right now. Okay, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, just like you guys have seen, GainX 1200 actually started an uptrend right from this support zone. I'm on 1 hour time frame because I want us to have a clearer picture of what we are going to get right from here. And actually, this actually went on uptrend and it got to this particular spot. And if you should notice, this spot was also respected around here. Okay, it is a major resistance zone and it was respected again, and it's sold for a while. And of course, was unable to go below this because of the support region around there that was respected also, and went back up again, still got to the same spot, was unable to break out above it, and of course it is respecting it again. So right now this should be targeting this region right now. Okay, it should be targeting this particular spots, sorry, this particular spot right now. So if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then it will go back again to see if it can break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. So that is that for GainX 1200. So for now, it is still selling. Okay, now let's look at GainX 999 also on 1 hour time frame. If you should notice, we started the downtrend right from here, and of course it sold till it got to this region. And at the beginning of this week, we started an uptrend from here and check it out, and it has gotten to this region. And of course, didn't go too far. I mean, didn't go more than that before changing the direction of the trend into a downtrend and give us a sell signal, and it is selling right now. Okay, so this is also selling right now. So we are looking at this region. If it should get to this region and it breaks out below it, then it will sell more. But if it does not, it will go back up and may likely break out above this particular resistance zone if it should go back up. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we should watch out for now. For now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from here. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 1200. Okay, Paynex 1200 smashed all the TPs also, just where we have seen it. Okay, and of course it's trying to go back on uptrend, but let's wait for the right signal, the uptrend signal, and of course the buy signal before we jump into the trade. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, because if you should check it out, we still have some free zones around here. Okay, so if it's unable to go fully into an uptrend, it's most likely for it to break out below this zone and sell, because we have some free zones to milk right from here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so if it should break out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should have that at the back of our mind. Okay, so also I'm going to do this. Once it breaks out below this, it will be targeting this region. And of course, if it should break out from here, then definitely it's going to sell and may likely target this particular region. It's going to be a long selling opportunity. But if it's unable to break out below this, definitely it's going to go back up again. Definitely, it means that it will try it out another day to see it if it will be able to milk out from that particular region. But I expect it to sell more right from there, most especially once all these were, achieved. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 999. Okay, this is Paynex 999. It had been on the uptrend for a very long time. Okay, so we started from here, got to this resistance zone. Actually, we are expecting it to sell after getting to this resistance zone because it has not been able to break out above it. It tried to sell for a while, but went back up, tried to sell again, and of course, it's going back up again. So, which means it has been moving within this region. You can see it right from here, and of course, this particular region also. Okay, so you can just mark all these out and see when there will be a major breakout. If it breaks out above this, it will be heading towards this resistance. And if it should break out below this support region, then definitely it will be going down. Definitely, it means that it's going to sell more at that particular point. Okay, so we should watch out for these. It happens like this once in a while if the market is not that settled. Okay, so you need to take note of that. Okay, so now let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 is another beautiful trade which I actually enjoyed within the past few days. Okay, we started with a downtrend and we saw till the very end of the trend. And of course, right from there, we also picked up a buy signal and an uptrend signal right from there. And of course, it has been buying since then. And you can see, I remember very well in one of my videos, I said it is most likely for it to pick up all the TPs we actually set earlier on. Okay, and you can see it is achieving everything right now. And we still have more free zones for it to, to actually take advantage of. So these are some of the things that we can actually take advantage of whenever we are trading. So you can see the trading tool actually help us to do a better analysis in order for us to go into the trade and get the best out of the trading markets. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. And of course, make sure you follow the instructions, make sure you do the right thing, and make sure you make use of a good stop loss system. Risk management system in order for you to secure your capital also. Okay, and for those of you who are just getting this trading tool or you're probably just starting or learning this strategy, I will advise you to understand how this strategy works very well first. Practice on your demo account just for you to have more confidence with the trading tool and with the markets. Okay, and before you can start using it on your real account. This is very, very important. Okay, we learn every day. I personally, I learn new strategy also every day. So it is not bad if you are also learning to know how to use your trading tool before you put it into use. Okay, I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details is right here on the screen. Okay, I will be there to reply you. You can also drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.